Welcome back to the channel. My name is George B. Just back with another dose of the replay for you. So, what I got here are some stems broken up. Got them into each bank, if you will, on the replay from left to right. Let's check it out. All right. Obviously, we got the drums right there. I've got them both assigned to this left crossfader, volume fader, I should say. If we think any of those are too loud, we can push shift and select the path that is, and then turn it down. I like that better. What I like to do is set a couple of these groups to mute channel, then I can mute them. Watch. We're still rocking. We need that to be in time, right? So let's create a new clip. Watch it. I'm gonna hit the sync button, and as soon as I hit the sync button, you're gonna hear it speed up to the pace of this clip. Did you hear Hear that? I want to still launch this clip in time though, right? Now I'm going to slow this project down. I'm going to slow my force back and get this camera back in focus. Alright. Alright. So, got my force going here. Again, if we want to sample that into the replay, very easy to do. These are all independent. What we want, see, we're gonna sample it onto this pad, and it will be here. Let's do this. Ready? Now I'm going to stop it here. It's here now. We can turn it up, select it, and turn it up. The only problem with the replay is it's easy to get lost in what you're doing. But that's also what makes it really cool. So, we can resample these that are playing right here. These that are blinking are assigned to the mute group. Everything that is lit up is currently playing. And if I push mute, these will come back, being the bass line and these hi-hats. Because these are assigned to this right volume fader. Okay, and so right now we are in group D, and if we push it again, we'll be in group H. There's nothing there. So let's go to group G here, I'm sorry, C, and see what happens when we push it in clip. Add push, if you will. I like doing this. Now, what has happened here is I still got some clips running. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Something like that. What I really like about this thing is that you can lock in or save that pad parameter. So if that's where I like this delay, then we press right. Oh, where are we at? It's in number 4. Then we push number 4. So next time we come back to that pad delay, it'll have the same parameter even if we change it. Like over here, we're gonna go over here and change it up here to break reverb. But if we go back to that pad or that delay, it should have the same parameter. See it up there. And that's what makes this replay so cool. So you can save the effects depth. And what if we want to just get low motion, right? Check this out. Here we go. Come to find that slow motion works pretty good. turn that up a little bit. So what I would recommend is find your favorite effects and save all those things immediately to one of these 12 banks. Out of 200 effects, I mean, you don't want to go searching through when you just want to do something, right? I already have that one saved up here, like number 4. See? When I go back, I want to have something else over there. Maybe I don't want anything too. Okay, let's try that bass in. Let's see what if I turned it down. It's not so bad when you turn it down, right? Turn it down really low, and it's not that bad. And if I want to save that, then I would push program right and 1. So next time I come back, that bass distortion should be saved with that effects depth. So we'll go 2 to 2 to test that. You can see it's all the way up. Alright, let's go find the new one. Better without the snare. But what if I play a snare from another group? Check this out. Yeah, we can turn that up. And so we have a snare playing from a different group than most of what's playing here. There we are, we're in E. We have all of these. We have our kick, our clap is from another group, our snare, and then our shaker. We have our bass from here, and we have our synth, if you will. When we go back to A, we have our snare. That's what's happening. Now, if we want to resample all of that, and let's say we want to put all of that in group H here, all by itself, except we want it on this here fader, volume fader. So we're going to resample all of that. Shift and sample. We want 16 beats should do it. We want to put it here. I'm going to turn this fader down. Well, I'm going to leave it up for now because we have something playing from there. But I'm going to put it on a mute group. So I'm going to stop the sample for now. I'm going to put this on a mute group. And I'm going to mute it. Now I'm going to sample. Ready? Let's do this. That sample is playing in the back. As you can see, it's lit, blinking, and it's blinking because it's part of the mute group. So if I go back over here to E and I stop that, and I go back over here to A and I stop this, everything is stopped. But if I go back over here to H, again, it's part of the mute group, and we resampled everything that was playing. And so it should be playing. So we hit mute. There it is. Just another example of how I've been using this replay. Hope you guys have been digging it. Man, I think this thing is really cool. It really opens up unlimited possibilities, because once you have something like that, I mean, you can just do anything else with it. I don't even know where I started with that. There was a bunch of stems that ended up being that, right? And so what if we wanted to put an effect on it? Okay, let's check this out. We're going to resample this effect on it. I like to start on the headphone and work my way over. So here we go. Ready? I'm going to put some motion on it. But I had to turn the pad motion off because we were recording the motion. So to leave that motion on would have left it with a lot of motion, right? But as you can hear, we also have the volume fade in there. And so if we just, again, it's just endless possibilities, right? Who knows what you're gonna do? So again, this is all part of group H here because it's blinking. In D, we don't have anything playing. So we can turn this down. Oh, it's not part of that group. Let's turn it on. And slowly fade it out. And let's make this other one part of this group. Oh, it's already part of that group. So let's turn it back on. Again, that's just the one without the effect. This is the one with the effect. Here's the one without the effect. And we can stop both of those and go back to a group and just start over, right? What's happening there is you're hearing the MIDI. You're hearing MIDI. I don't know why that happened, so let me try to fix that. See this motherfucking activate plugin bullshit. My shit's legit, homie. Refresh, motherfucker. That's bullshit. Okay, there you are. this, right? And resample this. How would I? Let's see if I want to turn that MIDI off. If I turn it from all ports to none, we should be good. There we go. I just want to find something else to lay down. Going up an octave. Here late, right? Are we gonna clear it off? That. Try this again. Ready?